A hotel bill for a number of people for overnight stay is rupees 4800. If there were 4 people more, the bill each person had to pay would have reduced by rupees 200. Find the number of people staying overnight. So this is the question. So in this question we are given that for a hotel room for an overnight stay, that is for staying overnight, the bill is rupees 4800. Okay, we don't know how many people are actually staying there. They are sharing with each other to pay the hotel bill. Okay, suppose if there were 4 more people, okay, additionally in the group, then for each of them, in order to pay the bill amount will be reduced by 200, it seems. That is, for example, if there were some 8 of them staying in the room, and if each of them are paying 800, in the sense, for example, I am saying, if suppose there were 4 people additionally joined, then it would have become 12 of them in the group. At that time, since there are more people, okay, each have to pay the money, right? They are sharing. So instead of paying 800, now it is enough if each of them are going to pay some 600 rupees. Okay, can you understand? So that's going to be the question here. We don't know how many of them are actually staying here. Okay, suppose if 4 of them coming into the room, okay, then the bill for each of them will be reduced by 200. So it's very simple. What we are going to do here is, let us assume if suppose there are X number of people in the room. Okay, so how we'll identify the bill paid by each of them, the total amount by the number of people, right? So the total amount 4800 by X will give us the bill amount paid by each of the person. Now we are having 4 more people additionally. So now instead of X people, it will be X plus 4. That is, instead of 10 of them, it will be 10 plus 4, 14, no, like that. So instead of X of them, it will be X plus 4. Okay, now the bill amount will be 4800 by X plus 4 people. Okay, so let's subtract both these fractions. That will give us the number of people staying in the room. That's it. Let's start. Let X be the number of people staying overnight. Now we are going to identify the bill amount if we are having X of them in the room. So now the bill amount by each of them, okay, the bill amount paid by each of them, if there are X people, it will be the total amount 4800 by the number of people. Number of people now it is X. Next case, now see 4 of them. If suppose 4 of them were additionally present in the room, so now the total number of people will be, instead of X, additionally 4 of them. So X plus 4. Now what happens to the bill amount? It will be shared by X plus 4 of them. So the total amount being shared among X plus 4 people. Okay, now they are saying if suppose we are having 4 of them additionally in the room, then the bill each person had to pay would have reduced by rupees 200. Suppose in this case if they are paying 800, in this case it is enough if they are going to pay 600 rupees, because we are having more people, everybody has to share in the bill amount, that's why. So let's subtract both these fractions and equate it to 200. That will give us the number of people staying in the room. So difference in bill amount is 200, therefore that's it. Now few people will have a doubt. Why are we subtracting 4800 by X minus 4800 by X plus 4? Why not we are having 4800 by X plus 4 first? The logic is very simple. Understand the problem in our life situation. Okay, if suppose we are 10 of them, okay, and here 12 of them. 10 of them will pay 800, in the sense 12 of them will be paying just 600 rupees. So higher cost minus least cost. That's why we are having this fraction first and then the next fraction. Okay, so now let's solve this. We are going to do cross multiplication method here in order to make the denominators same. That is 4800 into X plus 4 minus 4800 into X by X into X plus 4. This is equal to 200. Okay. We have just multiplied 4800 with x plus 4 and x with 4800. That's it. Okay. Now we are going to do the distributive property. 4800 into x, 4800x plus 4800 into 4, that is 48 into 4 will be 192 and 2 zeros. That's a constant, so let's leave. Minus 4800x by x into x, x square, x into 4, 4x, which is equal to 200. Now in the next step, 4800x minus 4800x gets cancelled. So this will be 19200, 19,200 by x square plus 4x, which is equal to 200. So in the next step, what happens is, let's take this x square plus 4x to the other side. It goes as multiplication. Let me write it this side. So this will become 19,200 equal to 200 into x square plus 4x. Now let's take 200 and we'll multiply it inside. So this is 19,200, which is equal to 200x square plus 200 into 4x, which is 800x. Now let's bring all the terms one side. 19,200 that side. It will go as minus 19,200. So 200x square plus 800x minus 19,200 equal to 0. Now we can see that 200, okay, it is going to be the multiple of each coefficient and also the constant here. So let's divide the entire equation by 200. So this becomes x square plus 4x minus 2 9 times 18, 2 6 times 12, 96, which is equal to 0. Now let's factorize this quadratic equation. We need to have minus 96 as the product of two terms and 4 as the sum of two terms. So let's check out which two numbers we have to take. The product of the two integers should be minus 96 and sum should be 4. That will be 12 into 8, because 12 into 8 will be 96, 12 minus 8 will be 4. Okay, fine. Now we need to find out the sign of the two numbers. We want minus 96. So any one of these two numbers should be negative. Okay, so when we are having two integers with different sign, we will be subtracting and we will be giving the greater number sign to the solution. So since 4 is positive, the greater number should be positive. So 8 should be given with the negative sign. So 12 into minus 8 will be minus 96. 12 minus 8 will be 4. So the factors will be x plus 12 and x minus 8, which is equal to 0. So therefore, the solution now, equate x plus 12 to 0. X plus 12 equal to 0 implies x is equal to minus 12. Now x minus 8 equal to 0 implies x is equal to 8. What is x actually? It is nothing but the number of people staying in the room overnight. So can we say we are having minus 12 people in a room? Not possible. So x is equal to 8 is the only possibility. So the number of people staying in the room is equal to 8. That's it. Okay. Thank you.